While kids will not go short around Halloween, there's less of the trick-or-treating, and more of a huge fiesta, which the entire country of Spain celebrates together for 3 days. The festival begins on the 31st of October, with the Day of the Witches, or Dia de las Brujas. Far from being a commercial holiday, the Spanish Halloween is all about honoring the dead, and celebrating the continuity of life. For instance, during the Dos, which is a public holiday, many families tend to gather at the graves of their deceased relatives, with holy water, flowers, food, and drink in order to rejoice and socialize. In northern Spain, due to the Celtic traditions that still prevail in the area, Halloween is celebrated with more enthusiasm than in the rest of the country. A special feature of Halloween is the quemada, a strong alcoholic drink, usually made from aguardiente, unground coffee beans, sugar, and lemon rind, or orange peels. Traditionally, the quemada is prepared within a pumpkin, set ablaze, and consumed after reciting a spell. When the Celts first made their migration from the upper reaches of Europe down to the Iberian Peninsula, it was the Mid-Iron Age. With them, they brought to the screen and familiar-seeming land many traditions and stories, only few of which have survived today. The Conquistador de quemading rituals. Though there is a debate if the rite is actually as old as some claim, or if it was in fact a more recent invention. The ritual of the quemada drink is supposed to be a warding one that frightens off any spirits in the area with malintent. The forests of Galicia are often referred to as the bosque animada, or the animated wood, where said ne'er-do-welling sprites lie in wait to do travelers harm. It was originally a witches' occasions kind of event. Whether you're just meeting up with friends or having a big party, quemada is a great addition to the get-together. The Conquistador demands a certain level of spooky ambience, so once night falls, after brewing up the quemada, people gather round, turn off the lights, and recite the spell meant to ward off evil.
The chant begins. Roars of those that cannot stop burning in the fire water, becoming so purified. And when this beverage goes down our throats, we will get free of the evil of our soul and of any charm.
Then, the quemada, it burns an incredible bright blue, and as the brandy burns off and is added back in slowly, the fire makes sigils and letters on top of the liquid, supposedly writing in the witch's language. After the fire burns out, the quemada is ready, poured out into cups, and shared among the gathered, making for a happy party indeed. The recipe for quemada is included below this video. You may want to whip some up for this year's celebration. And there you have it, another unique way to celebrate Samhain, or Halloween, from around the world. Until next time, blessed be.